My name is Dora, and thank you for joining me today.
Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to paint loose watercolor peonies, but this tutorial is very special because I'm going to give you the secret to painting any loose flower. Loose flowers are quick, easy, and fun. They're your interpretation. The secret to painting any loose flower is to compartmentalize the flower in your head, meaning to break it up into sections or shapes. Take this picture for example. It'd be very difficult to paint this flower as you see it here. Instead, find shapes that you can paint. I recommend drawing on the flower first, then as you practice doing this, you'll get better and eventually just do it in your head. I start with the bottom middle petals first, then work my way up, around, and down. Here I am filling in the flower, making it really round and thick with petals, as you can see it in the picture there. Go back in and darken some of the areas that are naturally dark in the picture or the flower that you're looking at. This peony used to really stress me out. I didn't have a clue where to begin, but ever since I started this technique, I feel like I can paint any flower, and I'm really hoping that it'll do the same for you. Another tip is when I'm painting some of the harder flowers, I'll look at both pictures, the one I drew on and the original. This way I have a guide to sort of tell me where to go if I get lost, but I also have the freedom to paint the flower as I see it. Again, paint the base petals first, then work your way up and around. Here I am having a lot of fun with color play, dropping in pink at the base of the petals and orange at the top middle. If the color doesn't move easily and blend, you may need to help it along. I wanted to show you both flowers I painted. The last one I painted while looking at drawn shapes. This one, I looked at the original. It's amazing how different the flowers can come out. Also, normally I prefer the flower painted when painting the original. It usually has more movement and looks messier, which is something I strive for, but this is up to you. This one needs no shapes. Simply paint the middle petal, then paint C curves around it. Last, paint some smaller C curves on top to indicate all the petals behind. You'll notice that some of the petals I paint may not look like the flowers. A lot of times I'll paint the flower as I see it, but it doesn't look cute and I won't like it. So I'll repaint it, putting my spin on it until I think it looks good. Paint a round shape, then paint the petals. This flower is a bit harder than it looks because it's at an odd angle. Add some squiggles in the top middle to indicate all those petals. That one doesn't quite look right, and neither does this one. Because I painted this flower from a strict side view, it was much easier and I feel like it came out a lot better. Paint a circle, then fill it in with the petals. I know I didn't do it here, but try to leave white space in between the petals. Thanks for joining me today. If you paint anything inspired by me, I would love to see pictures. You can tag me on Instagram so your beautiful painting will automatically show up on my page.